Hello, my name is Nelly, and today I'm going to be showing you on how to extract your WordPress onto the WAMP server. But before I begin off, I'm going to require you to subscribe to the channel. So from our previous tutorial, I had showed you on how to download the right WordPress and WAMP server. So with this, after downloading the WAMP server and the WordPress onto your PC, I'm going to just right click, and then I go to run as admin. Then it brings, do you want to make changes to your device? I say yes. Then it will bring black pop-ups to show that the servers are running. Now this is from green. Let me first exit again. It has to be from green to red. I want you to see that. So it keeps on being a black screen, but on my side I get to see that. Do you want to make any changes? So from red, then orange, then green. So when it turns to green, meaning that you're okay to continue with your WAMP server. So after doing that, I'm going to first go to local disk C. When I go to local disk C, now I'll click on WAMP, and then I go to www. Then from www, it's where I'm going to create a new folder. I can create new folder, or I can right click, then I go to new, and then new folder, then click on it, and let me give it a name. So I'm going to call this BBA. So I've given it a name, BBA. So in www you'll find there BBA. So after doing that, I'll come to my WordPress, and then I open it, or I can, okay, I open it. Once it's opened, now my WordPress is in a different language, but if at all you're having English, this will be the extract to. The second one is extract to. So I'll click to my WordPress, and then I'll highlight everything here. Then I say extract to. Then I go to local disk C, double click, I go to my WAMP, then I go to my www, and that's where I'll find BBA, the folder I created. Then I say okay. So I'm extracting my WordPress onto the WAMP server there. So it is extracting. So all this content will appear in the folder. It will appear in the folder which I had created in local disk C. So WAMP, www, then BBA. As you can see, this is what I have extracted from the WordPress. So after doing that, I'll go on to my WAMP server, which is already in green. Then I left click, then I go to PHP first, PHP my admin, to create a database. So here I'm having username as root, password blank, then I'm having server choice. I'm going to use my MySQL. So I go to go. So the username is root by default, meaning that it was created like that. There aren't any changes onto it, so you always use root. It is root by default. So I go to databases so that I can create a database name. So let me call this Nelly. So I'm going to use small letters. Calling this Nelly. After calling that Nelly, I'm going to create. Then it will say database successfully created. Then I'll come here and I'll be able to see it. After doing that, I close this off, and then I go to, I'll go back to my WAMP server, left click, then I go to my localhost. From localhost, now I'll be seeing the folder which I created from local disk C, which is BBA. I click on this, I click on it. So with this, I'm trying to open this folder so that I can be able to start working onto my WordPress. So this is it. You're already in, as you can see when you read. And then if you see this, when it's saying let's go, then you go to let's go. Remember the database name, I gave it Nelly. So give it Nelly small letters. Then username, remember as we were beginning, the username was root, small letters also. And then the password was blank. Then the rest remain the same, and then I say submit. From there it will show this, and I'll run the installation. So after doing this, let me try to reduce that. So after doing that, so what can I call my site title? So let me say let me call it clothes. So I'm going to call my site title clothes. Username, I'm going to use admin with capital A. Then password, let me use a weak one so that I can easily recall it, 123. Then I can confirm this weak password, and then admin, I can use any that I mean your email, I can use any that I want, but I'm going to use admin@gmail.com. Then I scroll down, then I tick this, and then I'll be done. Then install WordPress. So this is my username always, and password is 123. So as of now, I'm not going to save that. Then I'll say log in. After that, they'll ask me for username or email address which I used, but me let me say I can say to use the username or the email address I use. So I've said use admin, and then my password, which is 123. So then I say login. From there, I'll be able to log on to my website on the WordPress, and this is my site title, which I called clothes. And when I go to view the site, this is how my site looks like when it is like empty without any changes. So if at all I want to make changes, I'll just go this side to the dashboard, and then I can adjust for a poster, for a page, appearance. So let me give you a sample on appearance. So appearance, if at all I want to make changes, I'll click on it, but I'll just say customize. So when it goes to customize, I can come and I say change color, customize, then publish. So from there, that's a way I can keep on changing different things on my website. So from that, we shall begin from there next time, and I'll show you how to design a page, and also I'll show you how to design a page, posts, and so on. So that is it for today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.